Hello everyone. Today I'll be demonstrating Agentforce, an AI-powered customer support tool, through a real-world use case in the automotive industry. We'll explore how Agentforce integrates with Salesforce. Agentforce intelligently supports both customers and internal service agents with seamless automation and AI assistance. It can generate knowledge from structured and unstructured data like PDFs, CSVs, and HTML files, making it highly adaptable for modern service environments and supports a business like Top Gear Automobiles, which is a modern service center with a customer-centric website offering the services for different types of Mahindra cars. Their websites offers user-friendly navigation with the tabs such as Home, Services, Bookings, etc. for a smoother customer experiences. Let's quickly go over the main features you will see in this demo. First one is answer vehicle related queries based on the vehicle model. Second is register a service case using user provided inputs. Next is detect emergencies and escalate the conversation to a live human agent. Next is support human agents by surfacing relevant solutions from the knowledge base. Assist in drafting responses using the smart suggestion. And the last one is summarize the full chat and autofill the case summary field. Now let's begin as a customer visiting the Top Gear Automobiles website. Here's an icon to start the chat with the AI. I'll type "Hi" and the Agentforce bot replies instantly. Now I'll report an issue that I'm facing an issue with my car engine. It is asking for the car's manufacturer and the model number. I enter XUV700. Agentforce auto-detects the car's manufacturer just from the model. If only the car's manufacturer is provided, say Mahindra, it will prompt for the model for better resistance. Now, I don't find the current suggestions helpful, so I'll ask, please raise a case for me. It is requesting my email address. Here, it is showing that case has been created successfully with this case number. So let's check the case has been created or not in the org. Now I am switching as an internal user in the org and finding that case with the case number. Here is the case that has been created. Here is the detail with this case number, the status is new, the subject and the description. Now switch back to the external website. Next, I want to schedule an appointment for this issue. It is asking for the brief description. Here I can see the appointment has been created with my name, email, date and time. Let's check this as an internal user. I am switching back as an internal user and check the appointment that has been created recently. This is the one that has been created recently. Now switch back to the external website and imagine I am a customer stuck on a highway. So I'll type I have an emergency. Please escalate the issue. Agentforce detects urgency and escalate the chat to a live agent. As an internal user, and can see here's a notification. Once accepted, I can join the conversation and even see the chat history between the AI agent and the customer. Here is the chat history between the AI agent and the customer. Here I can see the customer's name. So I can type, "Hi, how can I assist you?" Switching back to the customer portal, I can see here is the message from the human agent. I can say, "My car is stuck on a highway. Please help." On the internal side, Agentforce offers smart reply suggestions. Here are the suggestions that has been offered by the Agentforce. So I can just post it as it is or I can add it as. I can copy this case number from here and paste it over here, and I will ask the location. Switching back to the external website, I'll provide my location. Now, this location is available to the human agent who can coordinate the appropriate roadside help or dispatch a service vehicle. So, I'll ask that should I close the case? As an external user, my issue has been resolved, so I'll reply yes. By switching as an internal user, I see the message that I can close the case. So I'll just move here and navigate to the instant summary. To get the summary, I have to end the chat, and this feature automatically generates a concise summary showing the summary, description, and the resolution. Just click on the save button. Here is the summary. So that's how Agentforce can streamline the customer service in a real-world scenario like an automotive industry. From self-service to escalation and resolution, everything is AI-powered, fast and efficient. Thanks for watching.